Hello friends, welcome. Welcome in my course CCI Security version 5, ASA OS version 9.6.1 labs. In this course, you will learn about Cisco ASA OS version 9.6.1. For example, you will learn about fundamentals of ASA. Then you will learn Cisco ASA basics. After Cisco ASA basics, you will learn how to configure static routing on ASA. Then you will learn how to configure default routing on ASA. After static and default routing, you will learn dynamic routing on ASA. In dynamic routing, you will learn how to configure RIP on ASA, EIGRP on ASA, OSPF on ASA, as well as ISIS, intermediate system to intermediate system on ASA, and BGP on ASA. Along with IP version 4, static, default, and dynamic routing, you will also learn how to configure OSPF version 3 on ASA as well as IPv6 static and default routing. After routing section, you will learn how to configure service level agreement on ASA. Then you will learn how to configure network address translation on ASA. After NAT, you will learn how to configure cut-through proxy, or we can say user-based authentication on ASA. After CTP, you will learn how to configure VPNs on ASA. You will learn how to configure site-to-site VPN, remote access VPN, and SSL VPN on ASA. Here I want to say something. Remote access VPN is not in Cisco CCI security exam. It is only for knowledge purpose. As well as you will also learn VPN load balancing on ASA. After VPN section, you will learn how to configure advanced firewall features on ASA. For example, transparent firewall, security context, failover. You will learn how to configure active standby failover, active failover, not only with IP version 4 as well as with IP version 6. On IP version 6, you will learn how to configure active standby failover as well as active failover. As well as you will also learn how to configure clustering on ASA with IP version 4 and IP version 6. Then you will learn how to configure MPF modular policy framework on ASA. Then you will learn how to configure network address translation on ASA with IP version 6 and some advanced features of Cisco ASA OS 9.x, just like site-to-site VPN with IPv6, SSL VPN with IPv6, and how to configure dynamic routing in multiple mode. As well as you will also learn more things which I have not mentioned here when you will go through with course. And here I have already mentioned that remote access VPN on Cisco ASA is not in the CCI Security version 5.0 exam. It is for knowledge purpose. And here we will recommend you CloudMyLab for rack rental. If you want to do practice, you can use CloudMyLab. Thank you.